The making of a magnet. Beyond serving as decorations on a refrigerator, magnets are a significant component in many of our day-to-day gadgets. Magnets occur in nature but can also be manufactured using metals and electricity. Let's take a look at how magnets are made in a factory. The first step involved is creating a mold to give the magnets a shape. A tray with the desired shapes of the proposed magnets is loaded into a machine that fills it with sand. Gases are pumped into the machine that chemically alters the sand, turning it into a strong mold. The shapes are then pulled out of the sand to create hollow spaces for molding the magnets. Molds can be made in different shapes and sizes. The next step involves mixing a number of elements as they are loaded into an electrical induction furnace. The elements that go in are copper, cobalt, sulfur, nickel, iron, aluminium, and titanium. The extremely high temperature of the furnace melts the ingredients. This molten mixture is now poured into the sand molds. The gases present in the sand molds make this molten mixture burst into a flame. Now, this hot burning mass is moved to another part of the factory where they are knocked out of their molds and allowed to cool. Rings of alloy thus formed are now separated from the shattered sand using a magnet. However, these are not yet magnetized. The rings are placed around a copper pipe and then placed inside a cylinder which is filled with sand and sealed from both the ends. This is placed in an electrical furnace and heated until it is red hot. Superheating allows the alloy pieces inside to accept an electromagnetic field. When these copper pipes are placed in water and a low voltage high current is passed through them, the alloy pieces get slightly magnetized. A high current charge is then applied, which leaves the pieces mildly magnetized. This high current is what aligns the magnetic poles inside the soon-to-be magnets. After the rough edges of the metal pieces are smoothened, a machine supplies them with a strong electromagnetic charge, turning them into properly oriented magnets with super strength. Making of a magnet is indeed a long and complicated process. Let's have a look at the making once again.